Okay, hello everyone. So let's start with daily MCQ session for today. Today we had only 4 MCQs, but 2 of them were from logical reasoning and one was sets and one was something else. Let's see. So let's start right away with blood relations MCQ. Okay. A's father is not B's father. Okay, not B's father means what? They are not siblings. That is the only information that we get from this, but fine. A's father has 2 children, so we can draw it like this. A's father, so father has 2 children. Okay, one of his children is a girl. We don't know who is girl. The girl's husband has B as his mother-in-law. Fine, let's assume that this one is girl. Let's assume. Okay, so her husband has B as his mother-in-law. Mother-in-law means what? This girl's mother. Mother-in-law is what? Wife's or husband's mother, right? That means there is a father here and mother is B. Why? Because they are saying girl's husband has B as his mother-in-law, right? So what is A to B? So A is B's son, or the answer can be daughter also if we assume A is the girl. Okay, but it is not in the option, so let's say son is the correct answer for now. Okay, fine. Next, if A is sitting facing in direction X, A is sitting facing in direction X. Let's assume A is facing. Let's assume A is facing here. If he looks ahead, he can see B's right side, as B is facing 90 degrees away. He can see B's right side. Think about your own right side, your own right hand, right? That means B is standing like this. B is facing here, so that A can see B's right side, right? B can see sunset in front of him. Sunset is on which direction? West, right? That means this is west. Then what is X they are asking? Now concentrate. If this is west, then this has to be east. Okay. And if you observe, east and west are reversed. That means north and south will also be reversed. So that means this must be north and this must be south. So A is facing which direction? South. A is facing direction X, which is south. 31% people have given it correct. Okay, fine. I hope you've understood now. Next, relative frequency of a class is 0.5. Total of frequencies is 50. The class is 20 to 30. Find the height of this class in a histogram. Concentrate. In histogram, height is frequency density. And frequency density is what? Frequency upon class length. We know that class length is 10. Okay, because 20 to 30, we have to assume it is continuous. Now what is frequency? Let's see. Relative frequency, which is 0.5, is what? Frequency upon summation f. Right? Frequency upon total frequency is relative frequency. That means summation f we know is 50, because they have given total of frequency is 50. That means frequency is what? 50 into 0.5, which is 25. So frequency density is what? 25 by 10, which is 2.5. Only 15% people have given it correct. Statistics is very important and a lot of people make mistakes in that. So focus on that. Okay. Last for today. If A is a set containing B, B is a set containing C and D, and C is a set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and D is a set containing A, F, D, E, then what is N of A? Now concentrate. N of A is 1. Why? Because A contains only one element. I agree that A contains, concentrate, B. But B is what? C and D. But B is this, right? That means B is a set of C and D. Then C is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. D is what? A, F, D, E. So if you observe, A is the outer set. It still contains only one element, which is this B. Okay. Set B is what? This C and D. So N of A is still 1 because A has only one element. It does not matter what is there in B and C and D. Okay. Fine. So I hope this is clear. This was a very short video actually. But fine, next time I'll maybe come up with 10 MCQs at a time and then I'll shoot it. Okay, fine. let's stop for today. To join the channel, click the link in the descriptions so that you can solve these MCQs as and when they are posted in the group. Okay, fine, let's stop. Bye everyone.